Remember, before we placed on order on this particular video, we had 521 views. Even if we go back right here, you can still see we have 521 views. So all we need to do right now is for us to refresh to know if these views are already counting. So let's refresh, and boom, you can see right here we have 12,700 views, which means that the views that we just boosted right now has already counted. You can see 12.7k views, easy peasy, right? So guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys this trick that you're going to be using to boost your TikTok views, and it's very simple. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be introducing you guys to this website. It's called growbetter.net. The link is in the description. All you need to do is just to tap on it and it will take you to the website. So when you come to this website, the first thing you need to do basically is to create an account. And how do you now create an account? You need to come down right here. You can see this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will see this place. Put your username. While creating a username, make sure you write it together. Do not give space, and come to this email, insert your email, come to password, create a password, confirm your password, and come to this I'm not a robot right here, and tap on it, and the thing is going to load, and come and click on the sign up, and your account is going to be created. Easy peasy. So due to because I already have an account, there is no need for me to start creating a new account. So what I need to do is just to log in and show you guys exactly how to use this platform. So guys, right now I'm logging to my account. So if you want to boost your TikTok views, the first thing you need to do is for you to come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? Just tap on it, and you can see this Instagram follower, Instagram view, Instagram live. These are other services you can actually get in this platform here. So the next thing you need to do basically is for us to just scroll down and go and look for TikTok views, which is what we are actually doing today. So right here you can see this TikTok views right here. Can you see this TikTok views right here? Tap on it, and the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? You need to tap on it, and once you tap on the service, you can select your preferable TikTok views here. So select the first one, So the next thing you need to do is to come to display the road link and start your link, which is your TikTok post link, that post that you want the views to go to. Do not use a profile link. If you use a profile link, it will not work. So what you're gonna do right here is for you to just go to your TikTok. So right now I'm gonna be coming to my TikTok, and here is on TikTok here. So on the second row you can see this video that has 521 views. This video that has 521 views on the second row, I'm going to be selecting it. So if you want to copy your link, all you need to do is to come to these three dots right here. Can you see these three dots right here? You can see the three dots. You just need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, all you need to do is just to tap on this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Tap on it, and your link is already copied. Then come to the platform, and paste it. In this video, I'm going to be posting that video to 10,000 views. So what I'm going to do is to come to this quantity right here and insert 10,000. And the next thing I need to do basically is for me to come to this submit right here and submit the order. And as you can see right here, they said your order have been received. So all we need to do right now is for us to wait, and this video will start coming to that particular post. But before then, I want you guys to understand something, that in this platform, all these things you're doing is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how do you now fund account in this platform? You need to tap on this three dot line up here. Can you see this three line up here? Tap on it, and by your left hand side you can see this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund? Tap on it, and once you tap on add fund and it brings you right here, you can see this dot right here. Can you see this dot right here? You can see this dot. Just to tap on the dot, and it's going to be bringing out the two payment option in this platform. One is Quora Pay, one is manual. Yeah, so I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use both of them. So let's start with Quora Pay. All you need to do is to put the amount you want to fund. Let me put 1,000 and click on this pay right here, and once you tap on the pay, you just need to allow it to load, and it's going to be bringing you right here. Quora Pay will ask you, how would you like to pay? Would you like to pay with debit card, bank transfer, or pay with bank? If you select debit card, you just need to put your card details right here and click on pay, and the payment will be done. Or you can if you want bank transfer, just select bank transfer. Then right here you can see they say before you make the transfer, you should read the instruction. You need to read the instruction and click on this I understand instruction. Click on continue, and they are going to provide account number that you need to make payment to. You need to send money to the account number, and once you send the money to the account number, you don't need to do anything. Everything just rotate, and your account will be funded easy peasy. So this is exactly how to actually fund account with Quora Pay. So let me show you how to do it with manual. If you want to fund with manual, just come select manual, and right here they say the instruction. Kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the account number, and they say do not send below 1,000 that it won't be refunded. They say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. So all you need to do is to send money to this account number right here, and after you send the money, you can click on this or contact us right here. Can can easily contact us, or click on this WhatsApp icon right here, and it will take you to their WhatsApp. Send a proof of payment and your Grow Better username, and they are going to fund your account for you. Yeah, so easy. So let's go back to TikTok to check if the views that we boosted is already counting. Okay, you remember before we placed on order on this particular video, we had 521 views. Even if we go back right here, you can still see we have 521 views. So all we need to do right now is for us to refresh to know if these views are already counting. So let's refresh, and boom, you can see right here we have 12,700 views, which means that the views that we just boosted right now has already counted. You can see 12.7k views, easy peasy, right? So this is exactly how to boost your TikTok views. You just need to come to this platform, create an account, fund your account, and do the same thing I just did in this video. The link is in the description. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.